So when the matrix, the payoff matrix of a game is of order m cross n, then we use dominance principle to reduce the size of that matrix either to 2 cross n or m cross 2 or 2 cross 2, so that we can apply the methods which we have seen, subgame method or graphical method or algebraic method. Okay. So there are two rules which we need to follow. And we are going to eliminate some strategies using the dominance principle. How to delete strategies for player A and how to delete strategies for player B, that is given by rules of dominance. And when we delete these strategies, it doesn't affect the original game. Okay, so that is very important, that the removal of any strategies from the game will not affect the value of the game. Have you understood it, girls? Girls, you there?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Finished writing this page? Are you writing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now rules of dominance. Tell me, in a payoff matrix given for player A, what A is trying to do? What A wants to do? Maximize his gain, right? And B wants to minimize his loss. So, suppose I have these strategies. A की स्ट्रेटेजी A1 A2 है और B की 3 स्ट्रेटेजीज है मेरे पास. And this is my payoff matrix. So observing this, now see, if player A selects the first strategy, then player B's losses are 1, 2, 3. Okay. So whose scope is more? Or tell me, see, these are the gains of player A. In the first row, will he prefer first strategy or will he prefer the second strategy, player A? These are the gains of player A and losses of player B. So player A कौन सी strategy use करेगा? उसने कौन सी strategy use करनी चाहिए so as to maximize his gain? What you observe here, if he selects the strategy 1 and if B1 selects the strategy 1, then player A's gain will be 1. If player A selects the second strategy, his gain is more, right? So if you compare here, 1 is less than 4, 2 is less than 5, 3 is less than 6. So which strategy player A will prefer?
Second
Strategy over the first strategy, right? That means the first strategy is getting dominated. Do you understand this? The first strategy is getting dominated. Player A will never go for the first strategy. So the rule 1 deals with the domination of rows, row dominance. Okay, so when you find that if all the elements in a particular row are less than or equal to all the elements, the corresponding elements in other row, जैसे कि 1 is less than 4 है, 2 is less than 5 है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if I write this ulta 1, 2, 3, and if I write, say, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 2, or this is 3, okay, then this dominance is not clear. This is 1 is equal to 1, 3 is equal to 3, but 2 is greater than 1. So dominance is not clear. The corresponding elements must follow the dominance, okay. So if all the elements in a particular row are less than or equal to the corresponding elements in the other row, then player A will not choose this first strategy at all. The row in which he has minimum gain, he will not go for that, and therefore this minimum row gets dominated by the maximum row, by the bigger row. Do you understand this? Do you understand
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Okay. So let us write rule 1 first of all. If all the elements in a row, say ith row of a payoff matrix, are less than or equal to the corresponding elements of the other row, say jth row, then the player A will never choose the ith strategy or, in other words, the ith strategy is dominated by the jth strategy. Tell me as you finish. Done? For example, so if we consider the same matrix here, observe that all
Mom,
the elements, yes,
can you show the previous page?
girls, you have to be fast. कौन है? सेजल चौहान. Sejal Saman, roll number 34. Sejal, are you there, Sejal? Sejal, can you hear me? Sejal, baat karo. Don't message me. Don't send me any messages in the chat box. Unmute yourself and talk to me. Otherwise, leave the class. I'm asking you something. You have to unmute yourself. You did not appear for Flexi 2. Why you were absent in the Flexi 2? Sejal? Sejal, do you hear me? Why you were absent in the Flexi 2? Why? Talk to me later on. Yes. So, for example, we are considering this payoff matrix. So, observe that all the elements in the first row are less than the corresponding elements in the second row. In the second row. Therefore, we say that row 1 is dominated by row 2, right? So we delete row 1. Okay, so we can strike out this row. We will tell player A not to use this row because it will not give him maximum benefit. So only return with those strategies for player A which will help him to maximize his gain. Have you understood it, girls? Have you understood it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now rule 2. Rule 2. So this is related to player B now. Okay, so column wise we will see which column is dominated. Now tell me what player B is interested in. Player B क्या करना चाहता है?
Minimizing the
Minimize his
loss.
loss, right? So here if you observe, which strategies he will go for. First strategy he will go for because 1 is less than 2, 4 is less than 5. 1 is less than 3, 1 is less than 6. So he will not go for these two strategies, B2 and B3, because they are giving him maximum loss. He is interested in minimum loss. So he will ignore them or he will not consider these strategies. So these strategies become dominated. So the bigger columns are dominated, smaller rows are dominated. Do you understand the difference? Smaller rows are dominated and bigger columns are dominated. तो दोनों चीजों में dominated delete करना है, but dominated row is different than dominated column. Do you understand it? Do you understand it, girls? अरे कोई तो बोलो इतनी लड़कियों में से.
Yes, ma'am.
Write rule 2. If all the elements in the column, say pth column of a payoff matrix are greater than or equal to the corresponding elements of the other row, other column, say qth column. Then the player B will never choose pth strategy, right? Player B जो है, he will never go for that strategy which will give him maximum loss. Or in other words, the pth strategy is dominated by qth strategy. Finish writing quickly. Finished? Okay. So for example, we will consider the same one again. Have you understood it, girls?
Yes.
Have you understood it?
Yes.
Yes. So we will solve the same game using dominance principle. We will first check whether there is a saddle point. Even though there is a saddle point, you will be able to get the value of the game using dominance principle. At the end, you will have a 1 cross 1 matrix with that saddle point. Okay. So we will have one example of this type. The same problem, I think there is a saddle point here. And answer is 1, I guess. Let us see. Have you finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
So for
Yes, ma'am.
example,
Yes.
consider the game. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am considering the same game. Now what is row minima? 1, 4. Column maxima 4, 5, 6. And 4 is the maximin. And 4 is the minimax, right? 4 is the value of the game, sorry, not 1. So maximin is equal to minimax. Therefore, saddle point exists at 2, 1 and value of the game is 4. Correct? Have you understood it? Now, though problem has saddle point, we will see the application of dominance principle. It is not that you cannot apply dominance principle, okay? You can always apply dominance principle. Our ultimate aim is to reduce the size of the matrix. Just think about a very big matrix. Suppose you have a 25 cross 83 matrix. So is it easy for you to find out a minimum element of each row, minimum element of each column? Is it that easy?
No, ma'am.
And therefore, it is better to compare 2 rows or 2 columns then. Instead of comparing every row and every column, it is easier to compare 2 rows or 2 columns. So we can reduce the size of the matrix and then we can find saddle point. That can also be the case. Okay, so here we have found that 4 is the answer. Now let us see whether we get answer 4 using dominance principle. How we can use dominance principle, okay? So what you observe here, you can go with rows or you can go with columns, anyhow you want. So see, all the elements in row 1 are less than corresponding elements in row 2, right? Therefore, row 1 is dominated by row 2. Do you understand this, girls? Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
So delete row 2. Sorry. Delete row. Which row I have to delete? Row 1.
1.
Because
1.
dominated row हमें delete करनी है. So that will be row 1. Okay. So the matrix reduces to, therefore we have, आपके पास matrix जो बचता है वो ऐसा बचता है 1, 2, 3. Let me draw it properly. Therefore, matrix or game reduces to 4, 5, 6. Okay, B1, B2, B3. Now here you will have to apply column dominance now. Okay, column dominance कैसे लिखोगे अभी? How will you write? column 2 is greater than column 1 and column 3 is also greater than column 1. Therefore, column 2 is dominated. The bigger column is dominated by column 1 and column 3 is also dominated by column 1. Therefore, delete. Gus, there is no involvement of from your side in the lecture. मैं अकेली बातें कर रही हूँ. You are just listening. No one is answering my questions. No one is interested in anything. What is going on? So what should I do? Delete which columns?
Second and third column.
So delete column 2 and column 3. So now here I am writing. Therefore, game reduces to B1. एक अकेला रह गया 4 and A2. So here in the beginning we saw the game has saddle point. That means players have pure strategies to play with. And here we are getting single matrix. So that is nothing but the saddle point. Okay. Therefore, pure strategies for player A equal to A2 and pure strategy for player B is equal to B1 and value of the game is equal to 4. Okay. Now every time will you get clear dominance to see? Do you expect that every pair of matrix will be very nicely spread so that you can see the clear dominance? ऐसा होगा क्या हमेशा?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Therefore, we have a rule 3. Another rule. So a pure strategy. So if you can't find the clear dominance, then you can go for averages of rows and columns and compare the averages. Okay. A pure strategy may be dominated if it is inferior to an average of 2 or more other pure strategies. Okay, so let us have problems of this type now. हो गया लिख के?
Yes, ma'am.
So problems ले लो. Player B 172 627 516 and ये player A का है. So you can start with anything, row, column, आप किसी भी order में ले सकते हो. At a time 2 rows, at a time 2 columns neglect कर सकते हो, doesn't matter. So row wise we can see. Any clear dominance can you see? First row, second row, if you compare, 1 is less than 6, but 7 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 7. So this element is not satisfying. Then 1 and 3, if you see, 1 is less than 5, but 7 is greater than 1. And 2 is less than 6. So here again, second element is the maximum. Maximum element of this pair of matrix is 7. सो फर्स्ट सेकंड में डोमिनेंस नहीं दिख रहा है, फर्स्ट थर्ड में नहीं दिख रहा है. अभी करते हैं सेकंड थर्ड कंपेयर. 6 इज ग्रे, और आई विल से मैं छोटी जो रो है वो पहले लिखती हूँ. 5 is less than 6, 1 is less than 2, and 6 is less than 7. That means what you observe here, row 1 is less than or equal to row 2, right? Yes or no? Right, girls? कुछ तो आंसर करो.
Yes.
Yes.
So row 1, elements in row 1 are less than elements in row 2. Corresponding, हाँ, मतलब 1 है तो वही पोजीशन देखना है आपको. ऐसे रो 1 नहीं, सॉरी, रो 2 एंड रो 3. देखो सब जगह पे आप हाँ हाँ बोलते जा रहे हो, मैं गलत लिख रही हूँ यहाँ पे. एलिमेंट्स इन रो 2 और रो 3 क्या लिखना है मुझे?
Ma'am, row 3. Row 3 is lesser than 3.
Therefore row 3 is dominated by row 2, and therefore delete row 2,
Row 3.
and therefore the matrix reduces to 1 7 2 6 2 7. ये आपका मैट्रिक्स आ गया. अभी नेक्स्ट, अभी बताओ कहाँ पे डोमिनेंस दिख रहा है? 1 2 में दिख रहा है क्या? 1 is less
Second.
than 7 but 6 is greater than 2, so no clear dominance. Now 1 is less than 2 and 6 is less than 7. ये है कॉलम 1 and this is कॉलम 3. दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So which column is dominated? All elements in column 1.
Column 3.
मैंने कैसे लिखना चाहिए? All elements in column 3 are greater than corresponding elements in column 1. So कौन सा column dominated है? Which column is dominated?
Column 3.
Yes, the biggest column is dominated. Column 3 is dominated by column 1. Therefore delete column 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, here you have written delete row 2, so we have to delete row 3, no?
No. Delete row 3, sorry.
Ma'am, if we
हाँ हाँ,
delete row 2, yeah,
row
then
3. रो 3 ही डिलीट किए, मैंने लिखते वक्त
okay,
रो
ma'am.
2 लिखा है गलती से. श्रुति
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
श्रुति तोड़कर,
Yes, ma'am.
call me after the lecture.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, therefore game reduces to,
Ma'am, we will delete column 3 now.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे कॉलम 3 बड़ा है ना? क्या गलती कर रही हूँ मैं? डिलीट कॉलम 3. यस, बड़ा कॉलम डिलीट करना है. डिलीट कॉलम 3. So the matrix reduces to 1 7 6 2, smallest row and biggest column. So smallest row is row 3 here, and biggest column, or bigger, sorry, I should say bigger because we are comparing 2 at a time. So smaller row and bigger column. Yes, so bigger column is 3, so we are deleting column 3. So game reduces to 1762. Any further dominance is there? We did not check for saddle point in the beginning, girls. Saddle point है क्या? 1 2 1, then 5 7 7. So there is no saddle point. 1 2 1 and 5 7 7. So there is no saddle. So इसके आगे आपको क्लियर डोमिनेंस नहीं दिखाई देगा. This is the last reduced matrix and on which you have to apply now. So please write the strategies number which we have got. 1, 2 है वो. In the beginning I did not write the numbers. You may write them. B1, B2, B3 and A1, A2, A3. And you have to write these numbers, okay? Because at the end we have to write all the strategies. B1, B2, B3. Here A1 and A2. And here B1 and B2. Okay. So we are reducing it to B1, B2 and A1, A2 and the game is 1762. Now quickly tell me the answer by algebraic method. Quickly tell me optimal strategies for player A. Yes. चलो जल्दी करो, मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मुझे बताओ इसका आंसर.
Strategy player A 4 by 10, 6 by 10 and 0.
क्या ए की क्या है स्ट्रेटेजीज?
4 by 10, 6 by 10 and 0.
4 by 10 means 2 by 5, right? 6 by 10 means 3 by 5 and 0. Yes, this 0 you have to write as the third strategy is being removed. And second one is half 0, right? And what is value of the game? It is 1 into 2 by 5 plus 6 into 3 by 5. That is 20 by 5, which is equal to 4. I hope others can do algebraic method. I'm not going into that now. So this is how we can apply dominance principle. Now we will have one example where the clear dominance cannot be seen, but we will have to apply average. Okay. So that we will check now. Yes, solve the game by dominance principle. So player B has got 6 strategies. And player A has got 5 strategies. Okay. So 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, minus 5, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, minus 2, 2, 2. This meeting will get over in 5 minutes. You rejoin back just for this example for 10 minutes, okay? Yes, any row dominance you can see, row or column dominance, can you see here?
And then row 1 is dominated by row 2.
Row,
One is dominated by row 2.
row 1 is less than row 2. So we can skip row 1, right? Then next,
Yes, ma'am.
any other row dominance? What about
No,
row
ma'am.
2 and row 5? Row 2 and row 5, 4 is equal to 4, 3 is equal to 3. I'm talking about these two rows, row 2 and row 5. 3 is equal to 3, 1 is less than 3, 3 is greater than minus 2.
Ma'am, but 3 is great.
Okay, that we can't do.
Ma'am, A4 is greater than A5.
A4 is greater than A5. Yes. 4 is equal to 4, 3 is equal to 3, 4 is greater than 3, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, 2 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 2. Yes, equal to chalega. And so row 5 is less than row 4. Therefore, delete row 5. Delete the smaller row. So this
Five.
will reduce the matrix size. Okay. Next, row wise dominance I think is not there now. Because of this 1, it is creating problems. 1 और यहाँ पे -5 है, -1 है, तो वो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. तो रो वाइज डोमिनेंस नहीं दिख रहा है. कॉलम वाइज कैन यू सी? कॉलम वाइज
C1 is greater than C2.
yes, C1 is greater than C2. So delete what? Delete what? C1, na?
C1.
Delete C1. Then even I can see C2 is
C5
greater
is
than
greater
C4.
than C4.
C2 is greater than C4.
Yes, ma'am.
So delete C2 also. Then
Ma'am, C6 greater than C5.
Yes, ma'am. C6 is greater than C5.
yes,
Ma'am, C6 is greater than C5.
C6 is greater than C5. So delete
C6.
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 Yes. So we are getting a new matrix, say 3, 4, and 5. And here 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. So we have to write the strategies carefully. 7 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 1, 2. Now is there further any clear dominance you can have? Now we will have to apply that average